how's it going? It is Ishan here, and welcome to the campaign level 11. We have attained promotion as you all saw last time round, and hopefully that promotion will help us. And now we are here. I'm absolutely pumped up for this one. First, best video with the face cam on. If you like it, I can continue it. So this is the team we've got, of course. I'm gonna make few changes. The face cam moves a bit. I'm gonna bring in Declan Rice for Pogba, and yeah, I think this is it. This is it. So without any delays, let's get started. And of course, if you enjoy the video, guys, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So guys, let's get started. The cap is on. Hopefully it can bring us some good luck. Sholov wins it. Here goes Sholov. Zenit does well. How on earth is that a foul? Ref. Just can't feel it. Javier Zanetti. Oh, he's gonna get intercepted. It does get intercepted. Declan Rice has done well there. Here, Declan Rice to Kylian Mbappe to Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi, that's tackled away. Here goes Matthijs Ginter. Christian Eriksen. Sholov again. Pogba steals it from Sholov. Here goes Pogba. Tries to feed it to Lionel Messi. Can't. Lionel Messi. Eriksen. Christensen Eriksen. Long ball from Ginter towards Sholov. Pogba on it. Declan Rice to Sterling. Raheem the Dream Sterling. It's up to Kylian Mbappe. Kylian Mbappe to Lionel Messi. Messi goes for goal. Messi goes for goal. And it is a corner. Messi to whip it in. Messi. Here goes VVD. There's absolute chaos out there, and I fouled someone. Gonna be a yellow for Virgil van Dijk. It's gonna be a yellow. I take it, to be honest. And I was just I was just putting out legs there to just get to the ball, and it had VVD to do it, so I can't do anything with it. Just take the yellow card. Zanetti. Sholov is having a real involving game. If Sholov can do something better for them, they can be on the up. But here is Javi Zanetti. Javi Zanetti goes behind. Here goes Javi Zanetti. That guy, I don't want to pronounce his name, but he has done it. And Dillet wins it back to Zanetti. This time Zanetti won't do the mistake he made. Messi, the long ball to Raheem Sterling, intercepted. Theo Hernandez, back to Raheem Sterling. Raheem Sterling goes for goal. It's fallen to Lionel Messi. He hit it wide. Come on, Leo. That's a bit disappointing, to be honest. How boring was this game? Like, honestly, very boring game. We weren't able to create anything. They didn't create anything. And yeah, the cap is off because I'm not scoring, and it feels like so much like burden on the shoulders. So that's why I just removed the cap off. Hopefully removing the cap brings us some good luck. Delete with the ball. Kylian Mbappe has been quiet. Messi and Sterling have still shown bits and parts of the caliber they've got. And Declan Rice is completely done there. Oh my goodness, they're trying to get past Declan Rice. It's up. Theo Hernandez up to the rescue. And here goes Raheem Sterling. He's seen Andres Iniesta. Here goes Andres Iniesta. Why isn't Mbappe making that run? Mbappe needs to make those runs. Until unless he doesn't make those runs, we're gonna struggle bad. Come on, Kylian. You have to He played wonderfully for me in the last episode we shooted. If you haven't checked it out yet, go check it out. But Kylian Mbappe did make the run there to Dikitov. I can't pronounce his name. Lionel Messi. Theo Hernandez has done one over him. And here goes Messi. Messi has seen Pogba. And he's been fouled. Ref, is that, if that's not a foul, please someone explain me what's a foul. Please someone do explain me. Here goes Declan Rice to Raheem Sterling. And again Raheem Sterling is caught on the ball. Here goes Josef Ilicic. Christensen, Eriksen. Pogba can't intercept it. Matthijs Ginter. Matthijs de Ligt trying to get in to Ginter. KDB. Now we have to sit back a bit. Iniesta. Now Iniesta can start the counter. Iniesta he's seen Mbappe, but Mbappe's run there wasn't that good. Oh, mistake, but gets away with it. Maskomic. I can't even pronounce his name. Here goes Iniesta. Iniesta to Sterling. How my forward players, they aren't making any runs. So if they aren't making any runs, that does not allow me to play the long balls. And if I try to go the tiki-taka way past them, Forlan has a pop and Manuel Neuer to the rescue. Manuel Neuer to our rescue. It's a very stressful game. I'm not doing well at all, to be honest. Leave stress. Josef Ilicic taking the corner. Raheem Sterling. And it's up to Neuer. Neuer can start a counter-attack. Why is Neuer sitting like... It's up to Mbappe. He's been fouled, I feel. But Messi carries on. Messi to De Ligt to Andres Iniesta. He's seen Theo Hernandez in very advanced position. Here goes Kylian Mbappe. This is Mbappe's chance. Mbappe has missed and Lionel Messi can't get there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's very bad. We might end up drawing our first game. Oh my goodness. We default his own player there. I didn't mean to do that, but I have done it. And it's all over. Not actually happy, but not sad also, I would say. First game, I think we definitely need something more. I really think we need something more. So here we go. Against a team wearing Juventus kits in the second match with Aubameyang attacking. Theo Hernandez, that was very good from Theo Hernandez. Guys, what am I doing? I mean, I've decreased like the the font, means the size of the camera, because if I have it on high, you all won't be able to see the whole pitch. So that's why I've done that. So yeah, I just wanted to put it out there. Toby Alderweireld. We have to play Toby Alderweireld because Van Dijk got that stupid yellow card and he got one yellow card way back. So now he's on a suspension. He can't play. Here goes Javier Zanetti. Zanetti has seen Messi. Messi getting past Campbell. Lionel Messi. That was a good attack to start off with from us. Hopefully we can keep that attack up. Come on. Now Zanetti. Zanetti to Declan Rice to Pox. Here goes Raheem Sterling. Raheem Sterling goes for goal, and Raheem the Dream Sterling has scored. What a goal from Raheem Sterling on his right foot. Pogba gets the assist. Nice one from Raheem Sterling, and we take the lead. Our first goal in campaign level 8. And hopefully we can score many of them. Their fallbacks are actually like Jonathan Tah, and the other one I don't know, but one is Jonathan Tah for sure. And so Sterling versus Tah, there's no match. And here is there Lionel Messi is giving it to Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Heroic block from Toby Alderweireld. Here goes Sterling. Sterling to Iniesta. Iniesta has seen Kylian Mbappe. Here goes Kylian Mbappe. Kylian Mbappe, Donnarumma is few of those keepers who just comes up. You know what? Let's try Worldy with Rice. Declan Rice goes for goal. And that was a decent effort. That was an effort and a half. I remember he scored one against Watford in the Premier League from that sort of range. I like using Declan Rice because he has that capacity to hit from far, and also he's the water carrier of our team. He's the N'Golo Conte, I would say. Like, I have Conte. I don't use Conte because in PES I've used Conte a lot, so I'm using Rice. And Rice here to Raheem the Dream Sterling. Sterling has scored a brace. We are toiling with them at this point. Again, it is Declan Rice. His distribution is amazing. Amazing distribution from Declan Rice to find the pass. Sterling on his right foot creates space, and we score 2-0. It's coming out to be good for us. Here goes Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi trying to keep it, can't keep it. And it's half time, boys. And yeah, their fallbacks are Umtiti and Jonathan Tah. So I think it's obvious for us. Sterling and Messi versus Umtiti and Jonathan Tah. That's not a matchup. That's not a matchup at all. Kylian Mbappe has been a bit quiet, but Sterling is having an absolute worldie. Javier Zanetti. Oh my, Messi can't steal it off Kiki Umtiti. I don't know why you're playing that formation, and like they're attacking, their fallbacks can't attack, and here goes Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, who can attack past Alderweireld. Here goes Aubameyang. Can we stop him? No, we can't. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang does his celebration, and now it's game on. We need to now focus. We need to focus on our game here. I think one more goal to give us that 2-goal cushion back would be amazing. Here goes Kylian Mbappe. He's offside. That would have been a worthy of a pass from Paul Pogba, Mbappe's French compatriot. Pogba has now COVID-19 according to the reports. Like, I'm not too sure about that. I've not heard much about it, but of whatever I've heard, he is suffering from COVID, as is Neymar and Di Maria. So like, hats off to them. Hopefully they fight and come back fitter from COVID. Oh, this time it's Mbappe, and he's missed. Kylian Mbappe has missed it. How is Kylian? He's diving in front of goal. Unacceptable. I was just sitting on my chair and I just got up. Like, he's diving in front of goal. Great pass from Lionel Messi to find him. And what does he do? He just backs off. Matthijs de Ligt trying to find Mbappe again. Cleared away to Kiki Umtiti. Sol Campbell to Paul Scholes. They have a good midfield. Scholes, Vieira, front Del Piero. Declan Rice finds Raheem the Dream. Raheem Sterling. Okay, it's up to Andres Iniesta. Here goes Lionel Messi trying to get past Kiki Umtiti. Here goes Lionel Messi. Oh my goodness, Scholes. I was just trying to do the double bluff and then give it to Zanetti. Oh my goodness. Del Piero is at Declan Rice. No, Del Piero has got past Rice. Zanetti nearly messed it up. And Theo Hernandez Vieira has a good shot on him. Here goes Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, and he scored. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang has scored. Very sloppy from us. Like, we've bottled a 2-goal lead. And Mbappe was diving. Kylian Mbappe was literally diving. And I was so triggered then. Oh, Lionel Messi now. When Lionel Messi is on the pitch, you can't get triggered. Here goes Kylian Mbappe. Can't reach there. Kylian Mbappe. Vieira. Oh, Declan Rice nearly had him. Conte to Lionel Messi. Oh, Lionel Messi. Toby Alderweireld. Toby Alderweireld as well there. It's up to Pogba. Pogba. Oh, come on. Come on, Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is through. Oh my goodness. Why on his right foot? Why on his right foot? Oh my goodness. Lionel Andres Messi. Messi, obviously. Lionel Messi tries to go again. It's to Del Piero and they hit the post. How lucky can we be? Like we were dominating the game. Everything was in our control and suddenly now we're struggling to do anything. If Kylian Mbappe can do this now. Kylian Mbappe. I'm done with Mbappe. Like, how can he miss such a sitter? Oh my goodness, Lionel Messi is in. Toby Alderweireld has dived and Manuel Neuer. Look at, oh my goodness, Neuer to the rescue. What now? We have to defend like never before. Defend like our lives depend on it. Come on. Messi puts in the ball. It should be easy against Conte. Why is he making fun out of it? Come on. Declan Rice, clear it. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness, Conte is making fun of us. Patrick Vieira. We can't let Vieira shoot. And it's 2-1. Come on. In a game we should have won easily. We struggled to avoid losing. Not happy. Not happy at all. So guys, it is an unchanged 11 from my side. But hopefully the fortunes can change. And yeah, no VVD again because I am using Toby Alderweireld because he did extremely well and that's poor from Paul Pogba. So yeah, means he did very well. So why to sub him? Why to leave him out of the team? Alderweireld was maybe the best player on the pitch. Apart from Sterling in first half was amazing. Here's Luka Modric to Robert Lewandowski to Messi. Messi has seen Sonny. Sonny has gone past Dillit. Dillit is just joking there. And again, Toby Alderweireld to the rescue. And here we can go on our own little attack here. Here goes. Oh my goodness. Nearly we are getting, you know what, we are getting close. But the thing is, oh, Sterling has won the header. He's done well there. But Leon Goretzka cleans it up. Like we are doing well. We are just getting near that last header. Means we need that final. We need that decisive pass in the final third. That's the only thing we are lacking. Here goes TAA. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Theo Hernandez wins it. Sends it up to Iniesta. Oh my goodness. Wasted Iniesta there. Here goes Declan Rice. Oh my goodness. Declan Rice. Declan Rice can play on Kylian Mbappe. And Alisson makes a save. Declan Rice is a real good player. He's a real deal. And Messi. Low corner from Messi. Mbappe can't jump. Oh my goodness, it's to Robert Lewandowski. Where's my defense? Now Lewandowski didn't do well. Means he went behind. That gave our defenders a chance to get back in position. Oh, where's my right back? Where's Zanetti? Oh my goodness, I committed Zanetti for and Toby Alderweireld has been done and wasted. I tell you, if this guy Dillit he scored a own goal there, I wouldn't have been happy. Then he's just wandering around. Oh, Kylian Mbappe nearly did one on JPK there. And yeah, here goes Luka Modric. I know what he's gonna do. Oh, he's done me there, Luka Modric. Oh, they've played it to Trent. And it's a goal. It's Robert Lewandowski. Again, we've been poor. We just need that final pass we need that pass in the final third. That's the only thing we are lacking. For me, that's the only thing we are lacking. and ran into trouble there, Zanetti. I wanted to play the ball up to Kylian Mbappe. We're lacking that we're lacking that pass into the final third. If we can sort that out, we can end up doing really well. And Pogba, okay, now Pogba has space to run into. He has runners who will run. And oh my, that's a delicious ball. Lionel Messi scores. That was a delicious ball from Paul Pogba. And Lionel Messi just had to lash his foot at it. And he did that well. Very happy. Come on, boys. Guys. Robert Lewandowski has just scored a worldie. Just look at it, they got a free kick, and look at this what Pogba is doing. Joker stuff. And like, I was so happy we leveled back before the halftime whistle, and now look at this. Like this is beyond even I can't describe this. Oh my goodness. Now only thing I know, we're gonna get some chances, we gotta take those chances. If we don't take our chances, we can't do well. So we need to take our chances. Whatever we get. Slender of them, we have to take them. I can't let Lewandowski shoot again. What Oh, Theo Hernandez. Come on! What was the foul in that? That was just a simple nudge. This is turning out to be Messi can curl this one in. He has the ability, but he doesn't. He goes for that. And now Declan Rice clears it. It's into traffic and scored again. Luka Modric on his was it his left foot? Yeah, on his left. This is terrible. We are what? Like I don't understand. Oh, Iniesta. Like leave all that behind. It was Theo Hernandez. Can put in a ball. And what foul did I do there? I just hit the shot button, ref. Okay, that's a warning. You know what? That was... Oh my goodness. It was a bad tackle, but Mbappe had a real shot at it. This has been a quite disastrous episode, to be honest. Oh, Rice. Open header for Declan Rice. Lionel Messi going. Messi to Raheem the Dream Sterling. He can find him. Poor decision from me. That's all my fault. I should have either lashed it with him, or I should have just tried to play a cutback. That's all my fault. I am guilty for that. Oh, Robert Lewandowski has scored the best goal that can be scored. He just made fun of our defense there. Oh my goodness. This is a humiliation. Absolute humiliation. Now at least we should score at least 2. Like 4-1 is not a scoreline I wanna lose. Now here goes Declan Rice. Declan Rice has seen Pogba to Messi. This is not turning out to be good for us. Leon Goretzka to Luka Modric to Messi. Just don't let it go to Robert Lewandowski. Just don't let it go to Robert Lewandowski. Because if it goes to Lewandowski, we know what happens. We really do know what happens. Here is Toby Alderweireld. Toby Alderweireld hits it long. Messi. What was that? Maybe my mistake. But Son to Robert Lewandowski, get in the way. Again. Oh my goodness. It is so weird. I might consider playing Van Dijk and Alderweireld together. if the performances of Dillit don't like increase, because Dillit is obviously not on a good run, but at a while he's making some life-saving blocks for us, and Sterling nearly caught him there. It's gonna be a disappointing episode then, like no win in campaign level 11. Hopefully we can change that record sooner than later, but if we're drifting towards a 4-1 victory, that's humiliation. That's actually humiliation. And we're just playing like 10 standard kids. We're just playing like 10-year-old kids, sorry. Just playing like 10-year-old kids. Defense is all over the place. Delete is just seeing somewhere else balls. Another way, like disastrous from Delete. Can he win a header? He at least can win a header. So he's not forgot how to. And come on, ref, just bring the game to a close. Just bring it to a close. So guys, it's all done here, 4-1. So we end up getting just 2 points out of a possible 9, which is not a good start, but hopefully we can recover from this. So guys, if you enjoyed the gameplay, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and tell me if the face cam looks good. If it does look good, we'll continue it. If it doesn't, then we'll do normal only gameplay. So yeah, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. I'll catch you next time. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye. Guys, it just my recording doesn't wanna stop. My recording doesn't wanna stop.